Hey designers, let's make an online academy logo called VirtueLearn Academy. I already have my color palette selected. Take the rectangle tool. Make it rounded. Color it black for now. Go to Object. Repeat. Radial. I want only 6. Good. Adjust spacing in between. Adjust the rotation and position. Adjust the rotation and position. Expand it now. Ungroup them. Fill them with the color. I chose the loading icon for VirtueLearn's logo because it signifies ongoing progress in a way that's straightforward and universally understood, making the concept of continuous learning easily relatable to everyone. After the color placement is done, we'll write the text. We'll write the text. VirtueLearn Academy. See what font suits best. I like this font. Move Academy to the next line. I think let's remove it from here, and make a separate text layer for Academy. Fill it with the color. Let's make this VirtueLearn text bold. Once the logo is finalized, I'll create backgrounds to showcase its appearance on white, blue, and black backgrounds. We aim to provide a diverse representation of the logo. Let's proceed with the design variations. Make a square. Go to Object. Path. Split into grid. Row numbers 3. Give it white fill. Black fill. And blue. Make the text white here. Duplicate it, and place it on the black background. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support fuels the growth of my channel and motivates me to produce more content. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials on animating the logo and creating posters for the VirtueLearn Academy using After Effects, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Join me on this exciting journey.